Welcome, food lovers! Today we're taking you on a delicious journey around the world to discover the best street foods you absolutely must try. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant markets of Mexico City, we'll be exploring the diverse and mouth-watering world of street food. Our first stop takes us to the vibrant streets of Vietnam, where the hustle and bustle of daily life is a feast for the senses. The aroma of freshly baked baguettes fills the air, mingling with the scent of street food and spices. We're on a quest for the legendary bánh mì, a sandwich that has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. This culinary masterpiece perfectly balances savory, sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors in every bite, creating a symphony of tastes. Imagine sinking your teeth into a crusty baguette, still warm from the oven, its golden crust crackling with each bite. Inside, you'll find a layer of savory pâté, complemented by tangy pickled vegetables that add a refreshing crunch. The fillings are succulent and varied, from grilled pork to lemongrass chicken, each adding its own unique flavor. Add a touch of heat with some sliced chilies, and you elevate the sandwich to a whole new level of deliciousness. This flavor combination will leave you craving more, making each bite an unforgettable experience. The bánh mì is not just a sandwich, it's a journey through the rich culinary heritage of Vietnam. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand, where the sizzle of woks and the intoxicating aroma of pad thai lure us in. The night market comes alive with vibrant colors and the chatter of locals and tourists alike. This iconic dish is a staple on the streets of Thailand, and for good reason. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that has captured the hearts of food lovers worldwide. Silky smooth rice noodles, stir-fried to perfection, are coated in a tangy tamarind sauce, creating a delightful balance of sweet, sour, and savory notes. With scrambled eggs, crunchy bean sprouts, and fresh spring onions adding layers of texture and flavor. Customize your pad thai with succulent prawns, tender chicken, or savory tofu, each adding its own unique taste to the dish, and finish with a generous sprinkling of crushed peanuts, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a dash of chili flakes for that extra kick. Each bite is a burst of flavors that tells the story of Thailand's rich culinary heritage. Our culinary adventure takes us to Shanghai, China, where we're on a mission to savor the delicate flavors of xiaolongbao. These aren't your average dumplings, they're small pouches of pure delight, filled with a savory broth and steamed to perfection. Imagine lifting a delicate xiaolongbao with your chopsticks, its translucent skin revealing the flavorful broth and filling within. The fillings vary, but pork and seafood are the most common, and dipping the xiaolongbao in a mixture of soy sauce and vinegar enhances the flavors even further. Hold on tight as we jet off to Osaka, Japan, home to the wildly popular takoyaki. These piping hot balls of joy are a staple street food in Japan, and once you try them, you'll understand why. Imagine biting into a crispy golden brown takoyaki, revealing a small piece of tender octopus inside a savory batter. Takoyaki is generously drizzled with a sweet and savory sauce, sprinkled with dried bonito flakes, and a scattering of green seaweed flakes for a touch of the sea. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors as we venture to India, where the streets are alive with the tantalizing aroma of pani puri. These crispy hollow spheres are a symphony of textures and tastes, a true celebration of Indian street food. Crack open the top, fill with tangy, spicy water, mashed potatoes, chickpeas, and crispy sev, and pop the entire pani puri into your mouth for a burst of flavors. Our culinary journey takes us to the bustling streets of Istanbul, Turkey, where the aroma of roasting meat fills the air. Layers of succulent meat, marinated and seasoned to perfection, are stacked on a vertical rotisserie and shaved into thin, flavorful slices. These slices are then tucked into warm, fluffy flatbread, topped with fresh ingredients like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, tangy onions, and pickled chilies, and drizzled with creamy garlic or spicy tomato sauce. Get ready for a sweet treat as we head to Spain, where the aroma of fried dough and rich chocolate fills the air. Golden brown churros, dusted with sugar, are piping hot and tempting. Dip these crispy treats into a cup of thick, decadent hot chocolate for a divine contrast of textures and intense chocolate flavor. Next, we find ourselves in Poland, where the aroma of savory dumplings fills the air, inviting us to explore the world of pierogi. These plump, flavorful parcels of dough are a staple in Polish cuisine, with fillings ranging from potato and cheese to sauerkraut and mushroom, or even sweet versions with blueberries or cherries. Whether pan-fried to a golden brown and topped with crispy fried onions or boiled and served with a dollop of sour cream, pierogi are a true testament to the comforting and delicious flavors of Polish cuisine. Our culinary journey takes us to the sunny streets of Nice, France, where we're on a mission to sample the simple yet satisfying flavors of socca. This iconic dish is more than just food, it's a cultural experience that brings people together. This chickpea flour pancake is a staple street food in Nice, cherished by locals and tourists alike. With crispy edges and a soft, flavorful center, it offers a delightful contrast in textures. A large round pan is placed over a hot fire, creating the perfect environment for cooking socca to perfection. The batter, made from chickpea flour, olive oil and water, is poured in, sizzling as it hits the hot surface. Once cooked, the socca is cut into wedges, making it easy to share and enjoy. It's then seasoned with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, enhancing its natural flavors. Sometimes additional toppings like fresh herbs or a drizzle of olive oil are added, elevating the dish to new heights. This simple yet delicious treat is a must-try for anyone visiting Nice. Prepare your sweet tooth as we head to Italy, the land of gelato. This isn't just your average ice cream, it's a culinary masterpiece. Stroll through the charming streets of Rome or Florence, and approach a gelateria with a display case of colors and flavors. From classic pistachio and hazelnut to adventurous ricotta and fig, each scoop is crafted with fresh, high-quality ingredients for a dense, intensely flavorful treat. Get ready for a fiesta of flavors as we travel to Mexico, the land of tacos. These handheld culinary creations are a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine. At a bustling street stall in Mexico City, choose your filling, tender barbacoa or spicy al pastor, and top with fresh cilantro, diced onions, a squeeze of lime, and a generous drizzle of salsa. Our culinary adventure takes us to South America, where we're about to discover the versatility and deliciousness of arepas. These cornmeal cakes are a staple in both Venezuela and Colombia, enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as a satisfying snack. A warm, slightly crispy arepa, its golden brown exterior giving way to a soft, fluffy interior, can be filled with shredded chicken, beef, black beans, cheese, avocado slices, a fried egg, or chorizo. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we head to Argentina, the land of empanadas. These savory pastry pockets are a true culinary delight. Stroll through a bustling market in Buenos Aires and take a bite of a golden brown empanada, revealing a savory filling of ground beef, chicken and chorizo, spinach and ricotta, or sweet corn. Next, we find ourselves in the United States, home of the iconic hot dog. This seemingly simple dish is a true blank canvas for culinary creativity. At a baseball game, grab a hot dog with juicy sausage nestled in a soft bun, and top with mustard, relish, chili, cheese, sauerkraut, or bacon. Our culinary adventure takes us to Brazil, where we're about to experience the vibrant flavors of acarajé. These deep-fried fritters are a popular street food in Brazil, particularly in the northeastern state of Bahia. Stroll through the streets of Salvador and take a bite of a golden brown acarajé, revealing a soft, flavorful interior made from mashed black-eyed peas, filled with a spicy paste called vatapa. Get ready for a unique culinary experience as we head to South Africa, where we're about to delve into the delicious world of bunny chow. In Durban, order a bunny chow, a hollowed-out loaf of white bread filled with a flavorful curry, usually bean or meat curry, reflecting the Indian influence on South African cuisine.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Our culinary journey takes us to Nigeria, where we're about to tantalize our taste buds with suya, a popular street food that's bursting with flavor. In Lagos, come across a suya vendor with skewers of meat marinated in a blend of spices including ginger, garlic, peanuts, and chili peppers grilled to perfection. Get ready for a taste of Egypt as we explore the delicious world of kushari. In Cairo, find a kushari vendor with a cart piled high with ingredients, combining rice, lentils, macaroni, and chickpeas, topped with spicy tomato sauce, garlic vinegar, and crispy fried onions. Our culinary journey takes us to the Middle East, where we're about to savor the irresistible flavors of falafel. In Jerusalem or Beirut, find a vendor selling golden brown falafel made from ground chickpeas, herbs, and spices, served in pita bread with hummus, tahini sauce, and fresh vegetables. Our final culinary adventure takes us to Lebanon, where we're about to indulge in the simple yet satisfying flavors of manakish, a traditional Lebanese flatbread. In Beirut, Find a bakery selling manikish, flatbreads topped with za'atar, cheese or ground meat, creating a variety of delicious options, with a crispy texture and flavorful toppings that everyone loves. Thanks for joining us on this incredible global street food adventure. We've explored the world, one delicious bite at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. See you next time.